Hello all, RP here, recording video on Bank Nifty. So we'll discuss what is going to happen in the next week. So today is 31st of July 2022 and our analysis will be for the next week. We will check with the price action as well as with the Elliott Wave what is happening. So this was the chart, previous chart from where the Nifty is turning on the downside. This is somewhere above 38,000 and we have a view that we are in a Z wave going on the downside. So this was the previous week's analysis. Here we had asked to wait for 36,620 break for us to go towards downside 35,900 or 36,000. So only 600, 700 points were there on the downside. So after last week, we dipped little and then bounced sharp on the upside. So for this video, we got 352 views, but only 23 likes and 9 comments. So I would say thanks to those who added the comments. It's really appreciated because these subscribers are helping us to grow further. Likes and comments have importance. YouTube algo makes our video reach to larger audience if you have more likes and more comments. Views are good, but yeah, I would expect the improvement in likes and comments because that will help us grow further and that will boost our confidence and do analysis for you further in future as well. So let's get started with the next details. So Bank Nifty's let's check the indicators based first analysis. So here you can see here clearly that we were on this candle last week. After that, 3 candles were going on the downside. Third candle gave a push on the upside. Okay, and it has went near 38,000 now. Bank Nifty was pretty solid in last week. It is trading above all the short-term and long-term moving averages. So this is 13 EMA. It's still bullish, and yeah, price is still bullish above it. RSI is above 70. It's in overbought territory, and Aron indicator shows bullish bias on the index since it is trading above 70, green line above 70, red line below 30. So this indicates bullish bias, but it is starting to tick on the upside. So this could be the signal that there could be some issue on the further upside rally on the Bank Nifty. So let's check the Elliott Wave analysis. So this is the Elliott Wave analysis. So in last week we were here, right? So from here we are turning. We said that once it breaks this, we will go downside. So yeah, it gave one more bounce and made high. After that, it broken this and went towards downside, made low somewhere near 36,000. So this will change a little bit. Here I need to change this here and try to find out the 0.32 Fibonacci. You can see here it reached near to this, but not exactly near this. Yeah, but this can be called as a triangle structure, right? So this can be called as a triangle as well. And this can be A wave and this can be B wave. So now we have the count clear. Until this point, the count was not clear earlier. So as it has made 5 swings internally, it can only fit as a triangle, and I don't see any other possibilities. So now we are in a final Z wave. So let's see what is happening here. So here I'm going to move this. Okay, so from bottom, when you check, this was the low it has made, and from there it has started to rise rapidly. So this can be a channel bound move, and we are heading on the upside. So final move is coming on the Bank Nifty. That's what I think. And from top, you can see here, let me switch to 1 hour chart. Okay, so this looks a little bit better. So here we are saying that we are in a Z wave. Z wave can be a triangle making multiple swings without breaking either this and this. Okay, so it can make a triangle and then can drop on the downside. So in triangle, there will be more swings. So this is first swing of triangle, second swing, third swing, fourth, and fifth. So this will consolidate a lot and make as a triangle structure in a Z wave. That is one possibility. In that case, both these levels will not be broken. So if this level is broken, 38,800, you can assume 38,800 is broken, then our analysis will be invalid. Otherwise, we'll still be making a triangle or a flat correction. So this can be even a flat correction, A, B, and then C wave can be a 5-wave structure going on the downside. This will be very sharp wave going towards 30,000. That's what I think. If this is going to happen, we have to ride the trend. For now, the trend is weakening as for the Bank Nifty. So yeah, here I would say that we are in a final C wave, okay, and which could head towards 38,000, okay, and from there it can start a dip. So before considering any dip, we need to wait for certain levels to be broken. So here, let me remove some stuff. This is not useful anymore. Here we also said that we would head towards this level. So after a pullback, it has hit that level. So now there is a gray area, or there is a no trade area in the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is already a dead moment as far as I can consider. Here there is a resistance near 37,950, right? So this is the resistance area. We need to watch that resistance area for the price action. Again, if Bank Nifty breaks this high of 38,800, we will be in trouble and our analysis could be invalid, and this could be something else. We'll have to check on that later on. Okay, so moving further, we should, for downside opportunity, we should wait for break of this level. Okay, this level break will give us the idea that we could be starting the drop. In that case, this channel will be broken. So this channel has been drawn by considering these 3 points, right? So these are the 3 points that we have considered to draw on the channel. So once this level is broken, channel will be broken and we could start the dip. Another signal that if you want to wait could be a fill of this gap from the top. If the gap is filled, then the bears will be in control going on the downside. So downside levels can be anywhere. The first level can be near here, 36,250. Then the next, there is a gap here. So this can be 35,600. Okay, 400 points more on the downside. So these are a couple of levels that you need to watch for if we are breaking 37,220. So C waves internal moves are not so clear for us. So this can be assumed as wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. A smaller structure can be made and then it could start the dip. We have to wait for swings to be broken, but there is no good risk to reward in a Bank Nifty here onwards. Okay, let's go and let's check the interesting thing on the 15-minute chart. So 15-minute chart, I'll show you some interesting stuff with MACD. So MACD, as you can see here, giving a negative divergence, right? So this is the highest point and this is the second highest point. So we could head like this and then drop, or it may not touch here as well, but it can create one more high, create divergence, and then can drop. So that's what the MACD shows us, that there is a momentum loss and we could head higher a little bit and then could drop. That's what my view is for Bank Nifty in the next week. So watch for the price action near 38,000 and break of 37,220 for the dip. So as you understand here, there is a negative divergence clearly visible on this point, right? And this point right here, I think right here. Okay. So clearly it could be any wave. It can be zigzag, it can be a flat correction or it can be a triangle correction. So we need to watch out that. And as I said, it will be tough to forecast the internal moves of C wave. So there are no good options going on the long side. It can make one more high above this, since this is the bullish candle breaking this, coming a strong candle coming from the slow drop candle. So these are slow drop candles, but this candle is looking a bullish. So it could head higher. That's what I think. One can wait for break of this to do scalping or grab some points going on the upside, and then from there wait for break of this level to be broken for considering the downside. So that's all for today on the Bank Nifty. See you in next video. Bye.